Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about metallurgy. Okay, so this is also one of the most important chapter. So let us talk about the metallurgy. I am going to give you some steps and some tips to get good marks in this chapter. So metallurgy is actually the branch of the science that deals with the physical and chemical behavior of metallic elements and their intermetallic compounds and the mixtures of these metals which are known as alloys. So metallurgy actually consists of three steps, that is the concentration of the ore. Concentration of the ore means removal of the impurities, isolation of the metals from the concentrated ores, and the purification of the metals. Okay, so there are few steps of extraction of metals. So first, the ores, they dig the deep hole inside the earth crust, and where they get the metals, and the ore is the mineral from which the metal can be extracted economically, so that is taken out. Then these are the big lumps of the ores, so they are crushed into small pieces or powdered one. So that process is known as pulverization. So pulverization is a process of crushing and the grinding of the ore. Okay, so we will do this in detail. So after this, the concentration of the ore is done. So concentration of the ore means removal of the impurities. So removal of the impurities can be done by gravity separation, magnetic separation, froth flotation, and the leaching. Okay, so after concentration of the ore, reduction, roasting and calcination is done. So roasting and the calcination is done in the reverberating furnace. So where they are heated to the high temperature in the presence of the supply of the oxygen, followed by the reduction, and reduction followed by the refining and the purification of the metals. Okay, so if you want to study all these things in the details, we will go into the details, so you can join me in my online classes. And those who are really interested for the preparation of the board, NEET or JEE, they can join me, and there will be one-to-one interaction, and there will be small batches also. Okay, and those who want to do 9th and 10th full science syllabus, they can also do. And those who want to do a fast revision for the board exam, because I have seen that many students, they feel that, oh, I have completed the complete revision of the this chemistry is over, but if I go on asking the question, I can see that there is a gap, they will not be able to score marks. So in such case, you can join me for short term course also. First class is absolutely free for you, that is a demo class. Okay, so you can join me and you can contact me in this number. Okay, so you can contact me in this number, and mainly you just WhatsApp me. Better you WhatsApp me, because I will not get time. Maybe many times that back to back classes are there, so I will not get time to pick up your phone. So kindly WhatsApp me. That is going to be better. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood this concept. I have given you a rough idea. Now to get the full understanding, kindly subscribe me and then join me also.